everybody, it's EmberPlayaz. Welcome to another episode of Care Bears Unboxing. Today, I'm gonna try to see what we're gonna take a look at this new one. And well, actually, oh wow, there's two. Oh wow, I didn't realize I was gonna be sent two of these. I think it might have been a bit like, wow. Okay, here's one of the Oopsy Bears. This is who is featured in this episode. Okay, and here's the next one. Here is another one and featured with us. Like, look at this. This one's real fluffy, which I think is pretty cute. And here's one that it's actually like a figurine. Like, how cool is that? I think that's pretty cool, actually. Like, anyways, guys, that's it for this episode. I hope you guys had fun watching this. I sure had fun making it. If you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing, and also leave a like and share. Please comment if you like Oopsy Bear, or if you favor another Care Bear. But anyways, be sure to do all that, and I'll see you guys in a brand new episode. Bye!